Introducing the 2020 Subaru Outback. Under the hood, you'll find a 4-cylinder engine with more than 170 horsepower. And for added security, dynamic stability control supplements the drivetrain. Top features include a split folding rear seat, a rear window wiper, adjustable headrests in all seating positions, automatic temperature control, turn signal indicator mirrors, lane departure warning, a roof rack, and more. Subaru ensures the safety and security of its passengers with equipment such as head curtain airbags, front side impact airbags, traction control, brake assist, a security system, an emergency communication system, and 4-wheel disc brakes with ABS. Adaptive Cruise Control maintains a preset distance behind the car ahead of you, simplifying highway driving and enhancing safety. Our sales reps are extremely helpful and knowledgeable. Stop in and take a test drive.